Would you lick ass or a girl vagina?
Mess up pussy, you know.
One for the pretty girl. Pretty girl got her own whip. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick. Pretty girl got her own whip. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
Go. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with
Princess.
and yeah, she likes to suck, so just don't really care enough mine. Anyway, anyways, this video, as you read in the title, it is going to be the dirty who do you rather challenge. I'm not sure how dirty the questions are. I actually googled them. The rules of the game, you have to answer. You have to choose one of them, which you'd rather do. That means so we are going to do it.
You know, but yeah, if you're
Shove it up if you don't want it.
make sure you get it straight.
That means so we are going to do it, but you just would rather that if you like the
Yeah,
line.
yeah.
First question. Would you rather have one partner or multiple partners? One, of course.
I got the wine.
Yeah, one, more than one.
Would you rather talk with me about someone you fancy or fantasize about in secretly in your mind? What? Would you rather talk with me about someone you fancy or fantasize
I
about?
rather talk.
You understand it?
Yeah.
I understand.
Meaning, if mother rather talk to you about somebody who I fantasize about, I'm rather just think about it and say to you. Yeah, mother rather talk to.
Oh, or secret fantasize in your mind?
Yeah. Me do both of them.
Well, yeah. So,
Yeah, but you have to choose which one you rather do.
Me rather talk.
rather fantasize, because sometimes when you talk, you know, they go like saying the pan.
You don't have to talk to
like
the person, you have to talk to somebody about
Somebody about the person.
yeah, of course, me a chat.
Me like, mother.
Yeah, when I rather talk.
I don't know. I'm gonna choose.
She never talk. I'm not fear for. Nah,
I'm gonna choose. I rather talk to Yannick and tell her that I'm fantasizing about someone. Would you rather watch a girl on girl or guy on guy video to turn yourself on? No, most girl on girl.
Girl, like,
Guy on guy?
But me like it like but not girl and not boy and boy. Me not gonna turn on by two boy.
I will discuss.
that
Exactly.
that would have sit me out way.
Not that I'm against it or anything, but
Yeah,
just don't want
for
to
real,
see.
I'm not against it, but
Would you
girl
rather?
and girl at 16.
Okay. Would you rather have it with the lights on or off? So that
Off.
I read
Off.
No man, which but I read off.
Off.
same.
True, a devil. Devil not like lights.
Would you rather pay for sex or get paid for it? You must get
Pay me. Me not pay for none. Me rather have somebody pay.
We're gonna get paid. Wait,
Yeah, me rather somebody
not
pay me.
right.
Me not pay nobody. Pay me.
Would you rather have sex with my best friend or with your best friend?
Yeah? I will ask the question here.
No.
But I have sex with somebody else's girlfriend.
Would you rather have sex with my best friend or your best friend?
No, if I'm my
Me
best friend,
ask you,
it's
can
a
you
bad
answer me
shit.
ask the
Example,
question?
alright,
You'd
yeah.
rather have sex with my best friend, either Yannick or Nicole, or you'd rather have sex with your best friend?
But I have sex with somebody else's best
So
friend.
Tash, you can
Say that I have sex with my best friend. So Yannick or Nicole, you
not me, but Nicole.
Yeah, say but Nicole, but
Alright,
me
Yannick,
would have
you'd
sex with
rather have
my...
sex with my best friend or your best friend?
We obviously a best friend.
No, but
Well-
if you see, if you have sex with your best friend, that kind of mash up the thing, you know, because
Yeah, but I would have
start
somebody's
catch and
best
you go
friend.
sitting there, then you see them for work, then you see them can't walk. Can't walk.
Alright, this is the question of the day.
Now what is?
Would you rather
Just start.
Some food.
would you rather spit or swallow?
You know, so if I want to hear them ask that question, they do.
Why?
What that? What is it? What is
When you ask what is that?
what that mean? Yeah, like how you pass.
Spit or swallow.
When you come in, you rather spit it out or you rather swallow it?
Oh, what kind of thing? Oh, what? I did that. You know, but somebody asked me a question and I tell them, so don't ask me that because I don't know what I want this song. What I talk about. Spit.
Spitter is a quitter if you ask me. A joke. You! A joke, I'm kidding.
Spit. Spit. Yeah, spit.
Even though none of them, but spit.
Exactly. Someone take up the answer.
No, but they say where you rather, you know. So you need to answer the question, you need to choose one. Not meaning so we are going to do it, but answer.
My answer already is spit.
Oh. Because...
Fuck.
Princess, come up here.
Yes, but you and you uno say no, because I could have said
never say no.
difference, you know. I'm
Would you rather be on top or underneath?
What do you mean by
So you
underneath?
lie down or the on top or top?
Sometimes, it kind of vice
Play what you
versa.
On top, because if Nico don't make me come, I'm gonna make myself come.
According to this setup.
No, you said in our name video there.
Actually, never.
Maybe... lie down, you know, but depends on the mood when you know, so some mood...
Oh, which one you rather?
Rather lie down, me lie down.
Which one you rather?
Lie down. Lie down.
Rather lie down.
Or on top? Because no boss, got the top taking control. You know.
On top hard, you know that?
Cause a bitch fit. You know.
On top hard, you fucking in the market.
The first thing you can do on top.
I have those.
You know, always have to play your foot, so the first things I can do on top. What up?
You love
Oh, by your knee.
stoop down. Yeah, if you
I'm
need that
sorry.
different.
But
But when I stoop,
when you
so
say
when I
on
stoop,
top, me mean
when I
like
actually bend down.
So yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you never do that long alone.
You make it,
Your foot have to well strong if you can do that long. So
No, that not
when your foot
If you get alone, then you rather on top.
and you can go to slow.
Rather better than 50-50 backside.
We're gonna take a shot, even though I don't know why the shot here is so much.
So if you love man.
Exactly.
What? Me eat alcohol, you know.
That would be cool. My girl,
But
must
it's
have me
comical.
drink some already, you know. Man, must have me drink some already, you know.
Let me drink a
Well,
little bit.
well.
Let me drink a little bit today, no.
You go, no, not do it, no. You go
Just
feel
don't
like
exchange.
You mad? I'm gonna drink some already.
I
Come.
never see a drink.
Nicole, you never see video today. Alright, some stung, jinky. Right, some stung, jinky. When you do that fight, I'm gonna make you feel weird. That's why I said those shots once. Tell her to not do it, yes.
Drink.
Tell her to not do it.
Pretty, take a little bit, a
No.
little tip.
Pretty say,
When
What's the everybody?
Tash, pretty
No,
say.
if you mix with something, then
Pretty
you
say,
blend.
I look at the shot this my girl.
Take a little bit.
Yeah, I know. I'll tell her this one to know. Ready?
1, 2, shots.
Paris, Betty, and David.
Run water. Fucking hell, man.
Those bitches ain't green, man.
Hey, 2 women I don't know.
More than take shots.
Okay.
You might be a champion. I got awarded with this. Would you rather have sex in the morning or in the night?
Two of them.
What kind of
Big one.
question?
Oh, which would you rather?
Honestly, murder night sex though.
Night.
Hey, me not really know what to
Rather the
answer.
best.
A question that kind of stupid to me because, like,
You have to say them.
6 hours when you honey, what you gonna do?
But which one you
Morning and
rather
night.
do it? And imagine a night.
You know, alright, no.
So you're right. No.
That joke me, I make.
Pretty high, man.
Is it because I was saying?
Night.
Oh Lord, I'm so fucking high right now.
Would you rather? Would you rather do romantic things or try out some new kinky shit?
I love to try new kinky shit.
No. What did you say? Wait, it's everything.
No.
Oh Lord. I'm so fucking high right now.
Would you rather do romantic things or try out some new kinky ideas?
I really romantic.
I'm with babe. Would you rather be caught cheating or catch your spouse cheating?
None of them.
But which one would I rather?
No, not
Would I rather catch him cheating?
yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but I do have a hurt more than him, rather him hurt than me hurt.
Sarah, him catch you a cheat? Yeah?
No,
No,
like
catch
that.
me.
I don't want to catch me and cheat, but
Me no, like,
maybe rather go catch him and cheat.
and then the back with him.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man, you okay
Him a
to
go
cheat
cheat
right now.
again.
No,
Nobody
like
again.
if you
Rather
meet
him catch me
brother-
because rather him hurt than me hurt.
Cause the
Even though that
reason,
still
no,
hurt,
first
but
thing
rather
first, the
him
reason
hurt.
why you cheated because him now do something. So if I say you find out, then
It's
you would
like-
be fucking next year. Anyways.
I don't want it, him never hurt and the heart I feel like I got mini heart attack and all of them stuff. But they know that, so I like him feel so.
Me catch you.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
It's like a movie. Y'all give us time to show up, baby girl. You like
We are gonna talk about
Would you rather wear comfortable clothing or fashionable clothing? I rather wear comfortable clothing.
Yeah.
Come like t-shirt and then there's not women fair fix weeks, but if you go out, they're gonna be fashionable. But if you go like
you have
on
to
the
choose
road,
one of them for your rest of your life.
wear some comfortable clothing. Have comfortable clothing and still look fashionable. Fashionable
Yeah,
clothing,
but yeah,
gear
some-
look comfortable.
Me
Yeah,
choose
some-
fashionable clothing.
The world know that.
And fashionable clothing preference
The world know that.
comfortable in ways.
No,
Me
most of
prefer
them
feel
don't.
comfortable.
You can choose fashionable in any occasion.
Yeah, but not
Yeah,
all of them
but-
comfortable. Would you rather mistakenly send nudes to your boss or to your mother? My boss? Nudes, hopefully my face not in it.
I prefer my boss to that.
My boss or my mother? Depends what kind of nude. If I like stand up nude with my face in it,
No
everything,
problem, my mother.
but I rather send to my mother. But if
But
it's
like
skin on,
dirty something.
Yeah, if a dirty something, then I don't know I'm gonna receive that.
depends on the nude. Depends on what kind of nude. My face not showing that, I rather send my boss. Would you rather, during sex, use hot wax or ice cubes? You told me try to put them already.
Ice cube. Or candle. I like them
Hot
to
wax. Yeah. So, you ever try it? You
No.
ever try candle?
No?
And I'm during sex, I just try to see how it feels.
Yeah. But
And
if I try about
during sex, them are aunts. So
But I
I
never
feel
try. No,
like
I never try it during sex though. I try it, like just try it.
yeah, for those put in.
Yeah, I do that. In your back.
No.
Like a sexual way, me and talk.
No, I'm not listening to a sexual way.
But if
Somebody
somebody
read
but if
you.
you're doing the eyes kind of cool, you know.
More than the
But
eyes.
Brother ice.
Me know nobody born me with no waxing. You must be mad.
In a heart.
In a heart. Oh God, if that is a jip jip sound, if it's a jip jip sound, I will feel and kind of. That's how I end up feel irritating after a while. I don't think so that will last long. But you eat ice, you know, say ice, I will always keep your shiver. So it don't work.
Brother ice.
Would you rather be choked while receiving pleasure or choke and slap someone while giving it to them?
I
Like
rather be
when him
choked
choke me.
while receiving.
Yeah, I'm like choke. Yeah. Yeah, I'm like choke.
Would you rather always make out for 6 hours or always have sex for less than 7 minutes?
What?
Would you rather make out for 6 hours, like kiss someone for 6 hours, always, or every time you have sex,
Rather before 7 minutes to me.
every time you have sex, it'll be less than 7 minutes?
Me rather say less than 7 minutes. You're fucked.
No, I don't want nobody pay me for 6 hours. Straight. Oh God, that would be killing me.
But they go have sex for less than 7 minutes, you were saying entire life.
More than 7 minutes, you're something like
Me too. Can you get it over and over again if you want?
no, but
No, you know what I mean? The way
Probably like 7 minutes.
7 to 7.
Like after so many things come out of most and then me every
Yeah, when
time.
him come, but suppose him come and you know come yet.
You can go
That's why I'll
again.
do it again. Ah, so alright, take a 6 minutes, miss.
Yes, 6 hours.
No, me not like 6 hours.
6
You
hours
know,
and a
but-
sex and a 6 hours sex in the makeup. They don't like kiss every minute.
Oh, that's because they're on the
6
first
hours.
of 6 hours.
That they're on kissing and I feel
Like
each other
foreplay.
makeup. Yeah, foreplay for 6 hours. Every time.
It was 2 minutes we start kiss out no more. No afterwards. Then it was 2 minutes. Yeah, go on. Okay, 6 minutes.
I think I just pick up
That's like
one.
like touch.
Then who do you rather have a person who fakes their orgasm but gives perfect oral, or a person who truly orgasm but is terrible at oral? Wow. So you rather somebody who I was a fake so them come
But
but
then
then
you
you get good, or someone who or a person who truly somebody who come but is terrible is but
Well,
give
me
bad
rather
head.
first. No, me rather the one we can't give it good. Give it
I don't know who said
I
I
know
don't know
who
who
said-
said they said them are actually orgasm. They
Yeah,
not go feel
like if the person not
They not go feel them come.
and tell you. But it don't really matter if me want to know when the person not comes.
And I mean, so they want fake it, them fake it,
But
them run
yeah,
them perfect.
me prefer perfect head and the
Me
fake orgasm.
Yeah, you can't fake
Yeah.
the orgasm.
Mhm.
Fake it.
As long as you are do something.
Because, yeah, okay, you do something good. You're fake it, you're fake it.
Good? You rather
Although
only.
sometimes when the man them come in, somebody can nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I talk in a gypsy.
Yeah, there's a dodo somebody fucking come to the beach.
Would you rather
Talk in a gypsy.
do it in an abandoned building or in a public park?
Well,
Which I'm rather.
Mm-hmm.
Very
Abandoned building, a public park.
So yeah, would have wanted
Yeah.
But I just feel like one abandoned park would have been more germs than.
You kinda excited when I hide things, you know.
No, but like in our
So,
alright, so when I
okay.
know say somebody over there so and we know, yeah, that
Yeah,
kind
you
of
don't want to
different.
know where talk about.
Yeah, that
You
yeah.
can understand
You know, say that like
fun.
yeah, that fun.
Do I in a park?
Yeah, no, yeah,
public
wait, people
park.
there. So you wonder if nobody has seen you look, yeah,
Yeah.
look this scenario, but instead of like, if it was, you know, an abandoned place.
Yeah, come like in a bedroom, sleeping bedroom, like
Mm.
but no in a sauna access.
Yeah,
But you
it's
sometimes
one
you
was
abandoned
one was
place
a
and
fire
one
truck
to-
police we come picture there or something. They
Yeah.
go, you know, for the abandoned place. Nah, I do not metal. Alright, last question, so we can find a good one. I only want to come up with one. You sure come up with one? You
No,
could
no,
do
no,
right
no,
now.
no, no,
Why?
no.
Yeah, but no me already.
Me I come up with one. Wait,
Oh, God,
we
Crystal,
one.
we
Pick
want
up
with
one.
that.
You nothing about two. Oh, you can't go and try to stand. Yes, so we not do that. That's why we have to do that one year. We must not do it. We must not do it. We must not do it. We cannot think about it. I just want to think about the same thing. No, last bit. We're not supposed to think, you know? Look here. Me not think about the question. Who ask me the question? No. I can't do that. We not answer the why we not answer? No, if me can ask myself the same question when me ask, you know, make mistake. We can't answer the question. No, we don't have that part of the thing going right now because there's a good answer. Me answer alone. No, it's one easy one. No matter we go ask for it. I don't answer. I don't know the same question. I can't come for the backside.
Look.
Philip must have ever eaten a video them.
What I wish I can ask the question and answer the question. But if you answer no, me no want answer the question when you want to ask. Because it's just I'm using it as answer. No. Yeah, just every time you talk from this song. You know what I don't want to say. No, that's answer.
Alright, go first.
That's what the 10 minutes get sense.
Really talk to them in a friend for a while now.
Alright, ready? Would you lick ass or a girl vagina?
Mess up your pussy, you know. I should have said, no put up on it. No put up on it.
Okay.
So, who do you rather? So, make your man in your ass or your man in your ass?
Ass. No!
What kind of
This
question?
Are you?
Are you
I'm
already
never going to answer this year. Me or my boyfriend, I'm like, I was a pussy man. What? We could try it. You're no, me with it. Like,
I mean,
yeah.
we try to never pretty.
That man was asked a question there. Anybody
Remember
who knows
this
me
question?
would that after say me
Do I rather so you to receive penetration in your ass or penetrate the man in his ass? We are trying to make it sound not that dirty. So which one you rather? And you need to answer the question, so answer the question.
Somebody will she said she would have rather because me don't know what
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I tell Jason right now.
Hey,
the answer
no,
pretty.
me don't want no man sex with my ass.
Oh, I
And me cannot do it. Not my man. Girl, no. No.
You don't do it to him, say what feel like him about him and I'm
No. No.
And I use it.
No.
I'm like gone, yeah.
Fuck my man ass.
Who said we turn the sweetie man in make one?
No, you take
me
the virginity, so
no,
you
me
know.
can't. Me can't. That sickness for one man tell me say he want to do that much less before do for me man.
Babe,
Oh,
I just use
God.
one small one.
Yo, you need freaky. You need some
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Babe, you're freaky.
But like seriously though.
Don't forget to
Like
Comment.
and if you're new to the channel,
subscribe.